Good morning, friends. Today I am going to show you an experiment called underwater volcano. First, we have to take a test tube and then we have to take 10 ml of water and put it in the test tube like this. Like this. And now we have to add 2 drops of the red food grade color into the test tube. And now we have to mix it. We can see that the water is in the reddish color. And now by using the funnel, we have to add some baking soda into the test tube. Half scoop of baking soda into the test tube. And now we have to add 20 ml of the vegetable oil into the test tube. Like this. And now by again using the funnel, we have to add half scoop of the crystal powder of the citric acid, like this. And now here we can see that the bubbles are looking like a volcano. And when the citric acid reacts with the baking soda, it releases a gas called the carbon dioxide or the CO2. And we can also see that in the water the bubbles are floating much faster than in the oil, because the oil is denser and thicker than the water. Thank you and have a nice day.